and an open, like I do with New York session. I don't know why I haven't done this to begin with. I've always started at open, which is a bit blonde. I actually should have been starting earlier the whole time, but it's okay. Let's do this. I've given myself 10 minutes to do a thorough go through. Sure, we'll call it a go through, run through, whatever you want to call it. Sorry, I'm laughing at Boom. What's up, David? How are you? How you doing? How's it going? Okay, let me get rid of this chaos quickly. Okay, chaos done. Good morning, good morning. I am early. I said I was going to hop on a little bit early, specifically to go through everything, make sure I mark out everything, make sure everything is ready for when open actually happens. You know, which is, it's weird for me to be prepared. I know, I am aware that it's weird for me to be prepared. It doesn't happen often, but here we are. How you doing, David? How's it going? Same as we can chill now. Okay, that's opening range. I'm now looking for midnight. Here we go. Women are never prepared for your rubbish. You're right. Women are never prepared for your rubbish. Ayo! I got you there. You weren't expecting that clap back, were you? I had to. Okay. Let me mark out this one. I lost. Woo! Guess it also gives me 10 minutes to find my brain cells before we get this party started. Good actual grief. Anyways. Can't believe you coming in here with. Why is everyone so sassy today? Is there a reason? Is it big? Like. Alright, miss, I take half an hour to start the stream. Yeah, I get them much better. But I put it. It's not that I take half an hour to start the stream, it's that I put the whatchamacallit, a scheduled stream up. It's not that I take half an hour. I schedule the stream and then I gotta do some editing and things, right? Get things ready, get things organized, like my brain cells. Things happen. Low here. Oof, yesterday's New York session was a banger. Wow. Yesterday's New York low. Just wow. But you started. Wait, Finn kick you. Wow. Listen here. Listen here. Finn did not kick me. He bit me. He did not kick me. Sorry, just marking out New York high as well. Quick sticks. Wow. New York was insane yesterday. Asia high has already been taken. It's that point of interest. It's right below midnight. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Marked out Asia low. And now we begin. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. Hey, Kiwi, what's up? Kiwi, I've literally just hopped onto the market, so I have not taken any trades yet. How you doing? How's it going? Also, what an interesting name. I have questions. How close to Eva? David, when I say the pressure is on, I mean the pressure is on. I'm less than $200 away from passing my eval. I'm on 82879. I'm not even gonna lie, I struggled to sleep last night because I was like, oh my gosh. I now just, this is maybe why I'm stuttering. I must now just not let the pressure get to me. Just treat it like a normal day. Makes no difference what happens. I'm just gonna continue, right? Keep on keeping on, or however you wanna say that. Damn, that was a banger. Look at this. Relative equals into that. That was that nice trade there. No, I'm talking rubbish. But into, I mean, I have my bob level there. It's fine. Okay, wait. Less than $400 after. Let's see. But give me 2 seconds now. Let me do my evaluation, or my, what's it called? Top down. Don't even come at me with being a sassy pants having comments about top down. I know you will, but let's do this. Let's do the top down evaluation. That doesn't sound right. Anyways, let's do this. Wow. Hey Demonte, what's up? Yo, I even actually started a little bit early. I even started a little bit early to mark out everything, get ready for the London Open. So speaking of, let's do this. You say it like I'm late. I'm never late. Okay, maybe once or twice. I forgot to do that. Maybe once or twice I've been like a minute or two late, but never like crazy. It's still respecting the heck out of this. Do you think we're going to get more of a rejection off of this volume imbalance, and we're going to continue to the bear side? Like, it keeps retapping it, but it just... yeah, keeps going back down. I mean, look at yesterday's doji. Okay, let's see. David will suck the big toe for $20. Steven, I don't doubt that. What's up? How are you doing, Steven? In a professional manner, when someone asks you what you do for a living, what do you say? I actually, you know what's really funny? I had to answer this yesterday. There's a moment where I pause and then I just say I'm a consultant. I don't know why. I feel like a lot of people don't ask further questions about that, and they just go, ah, okay. Because they don't know what the heck I'm consulting, because I cannot be bothered to try and explain this to people. Yeah, like I said, it starts either debates or annoying conversations you don't want to be a part of. It's a pain in the butt. What about you, Eddie? What do you say? $20 is $20. There we go. That answered that question. But yeah, Eddie, what would you then say in that situation? Aww. Thanks, Steven. You're such a sweetie pie. Yo, guys, don't forget to press that like button. But yes, doji yesterday, still bullish pressure, but I wonder if we're going to... we're either going to break this volume imbalance, or we're going to have a huge drop down. I don't know. Demonte, what do you think this is going to end up doing? Let's check the 4 hour. Still haven't broken above here. 516. I do have a level there. I did mark that level out. Okay, never mind. So that's fine. Did mark that level out. I mean, we do also have now imbalance to this side, so this is going to be interesting. I've been waiting for it to tap into this flipping inverse for value gap. It keeps struggling. 1 hour. Well, this doesn't look very nice, does it? Ewy. Oh no, the 1 hour looks terrible. Maybe retracement further. Maybe we come and take out 955. It's not promising. Okay. 15 minutes. Let's see. Laura, what's up? It's been a tough week trading. Why? Also, how are you feeling, by the way? Are you getting better? Hey, Funhouse, what's up? How are you doing? Please give a summary of your prop risk management strategy. Well, sweet and simply, I have a 50k eval. I risk $200 per trade. So that's really not a lot. So there's the risk management. Risk management as well. Give me a second. Waiting for the sad music. Don't mind the sad music. There we go. Risk management strategy. And then, so sweet and simply consistency, but if you're always risking the same, and I take, depending on the day, 1 or 2 trades a day. Again, depending on the day, sometimes there's more, sometimes there's less. Just finished trading for the bear caught the FTS boom was news trading though, but took 6R in 10 minutes. What the heck, Debbie? That is amazing. Whoop whoop, that is awesome. Well done. The silent nature, what's up? Ngu, hi, how are you? Oh, it's Mud Crab. What's up, Mud Crab? How you doing? Hope everyone's amazing. Which broker do I recommend? Ooh, Ngubile. So what are you looking for from a broker? Let's maybe start with that. I mean, I'm gonna obviously recommend like Tradify and things, and they're having a 30% discount. And you can use my new affiliate code, which is TeachMaya all caps, so you can get 30% off until the 15th of Feb. So I'm going to be spewing that a lot. But that's quite a goodie. I mean, Tradify are really, really good. I think they actually... I was going through their website and everything yesterday. They won 2025... I want to say... Yeah, I think Prop Firm of the Year, 2025. How are you doing? Hey chat, everyone happy tomorrow Eve. You made it home safe? Missed you, dear. Aw, thanks, Mud Crab. Missed you too. But yeah, I hope it was a goodie. Sorry, do you see I'm doing top-down evaluation? I'm gonna be honest. I do not know what today's gonna bring. The 1 hour doesn't look great. I mean, this is okay. This might come tap into higher order block and retrace back down. This is going very slowly up though. We're still stuck by that volume imbalance on the daily. Yes, still have not broken above into that inverse fair value gap on the 4 hour. So let's see, it appears to be pushing further up though. Let's see if it goes into this order block. We are struggling to break above. We are really, but that's that volume imbalance I was talking about. You could see that volume imbalance on that daily. So here's the 15-minute. Let's check the 5-minute. I'm also trying so hard to... Ooh, okay. Just took a little bit out there. Man, I even started 10 minutes early and then I got distracted talking to David, and now I'm late again. Damn it. Yeah, let's do the 1 minute. Let's mark this range now. I did mark everything else though. Checked everything. So here's opening. Awesome source. No, I want to put this here. We do not have anything suspicious over there. We are stuck in... Oh, it's in a bob level. No wonder. Look at that triple tap. Then back down. Let's see if we break through this range. Took that. We finally break it then on the higher time frame. I'll go double check that again. I mean, that's quite a decent push at open. That's not a bad push to begin with. The silent nature... Oh, okay, I'm so sorry. Let's... Give me a second. Can you in simple words explain to me what is your trading strategy and what time do you usually trade? Volo... Sure, sorry, I'm gonna call you Volo. I don't think that's correct, but sweet and simply, it's market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. That's... You said, you know, simple words, I guess. There we go. And what time do I usually trade? I trade both London and New York open. Yeah, that's it. Every day. Then let's see, next one. What instrument do I trade? Futures. I trade the futures. Zachariah, where am I from? I'm from South Africa. The silent nature. Sorry, I hope that kind of. I do use a GAN box to get my more accurate, my accuracy to determine my entry point and. You never know what the day will bring. That's true, Demonte. Good day, I'm in the car right now. If this hit, how will I feed my coffee? OTT, what up? How are you doing? Dylan, hi. How are you? Dom, what's up? Looks rangy. Jose, it kind of does. So, okay, listen, I cannot stress this enough. I cannot stress this enough. I'm going to be a little bit OTT. I'm gonna be a little bit over the top today. So Mudcraft, I am less than $200 away from passing this eval, which means I'm going to be very selective about whatever trade I take. Like, it has to be an A++ banger for me to be like, this is it. I'm literally, I mean, at this point I could probably just do like what, make a 10 contracts, just pick a direction and hope that it hits or misses. But that's cheeky, we don't do that. So we stick with our strategy, we wait for A+ setups, and we go for it, right? Let's see if it goes back to midnight open price. You can pass today, stay patient, trade will come. No, you're right, Debbie, you're right. You're right. We can see early in our short. Oh, good. Bob. Yeah, thanks, Mudcrab. So pass the account this session. OTT, let's see. I'm trying not to. Uncle Bella, you're also from South Africa. What? Yeah, I love it. I am from South Africa, so yes, like I said, I'm currently using top 1 futures because I was using them, but as of a Monday, Friday? I can't even remember. Let's just say this week, I am affiliated with Traderfy, and they are awesome. They're a really, really good prop firm. And they are allowed in South Africa. Big ups. Yeah, I'm trading yesterday. I had a great Tuesday. I'm truly made up for the Monday that I told myself not to trade. Those Tuesday trades were lovely, got the bull run, then a really decent dip that March. Ooh, nice. Let's go to half road to VWAP. I think we might start pushing down. Like, you just swept my PM high and into the 30-minute fair value gap again on NAS. Tyre? No, Tyrese. There we go. Tyre. No, that's not correct. I don't... How do I put this? I'm wanting to see if it respects that volume imbalance again, in which case I do believe we're going to have a huge drop. If it breaks the volume imbalance on the... It's the daily here. If it breaks that volume imbalance on the daily, we're going up. Set up. Wow, listen to me. Buckaroo. That's awesome, man. Very, very amazing. Very, very stressful. I'm trying not to let... Sweet and simply, I'm trying not to let there be any pressure with regards to it. I'm just gonna carry on. Just take any trade. Don't overthink it. You may trade as if it's regular. You still have 2,000 more to go. No, 100%, Demonte. 100%. Like I said, I even said it yesterday after the trade yesterday. I said I'm gonna have to just pretend like this is a new account. It doesn't matter if it's a win or a loss now. Hey Gok, what's up? And no man, what's up? How are you? I guess we'll see how the chart goes, but yep, take your time, ain't no rush. Don't want to head backwards just because it's within reaching distance. Literally. Exactly, when broke blue line, we go short. Hey Zip, how you doing? I have a feeling it might go a little higher than most are thinking, but I agree on your assessment. Well, if it does go higher, I won't be surprised. Where did I mark it out? I did mark. This. it breaks this on the 4 hour, we finally go into that flipping inverse fair value gap on the 4 hour. I believe it's the 4 hour. Give me 2 seconds. Let's double check this. Yeah, I've been waiting for it. Check at this. Triple top, this might. But then look at this doji. Yeah, it's around this. Yeah, okay. I say 514-ish area, but you get the idea. If it breaks above, it's going to tap into an inverse fair value gap. Then it could drop like it's nobody's business. Or maybe it won't. You know. So this is the volume imbalance that I've been watching. I mean, you can see it's been rejecting off of it the whole time. Rejected, rejected. That's why I think if it does break above, it might push properly, but is it going to? I mean, it's retested this volume imbalance 3 times. With. With. Good boy. Sorry, he's so cute. He's adorable. Hey man, alright, congrats on the one. Oh, thank you! And again, I can't stress it enough. It would not be possible without all of you guys. Oh, I haven't seen. Trading on my phone's nasty, but I'm bullish for now though. OTT, you're not gonna trade though, you're just looking at your phone. You marked out all your open closes, highs, lows. Yep. How come you trade futures over CFDs? Sweet and simply spread. I mean, there's more to it. My friend that introduced me to trading, I started with futures and I've always stuck with them, never actually tried CFDs, but I've heard that the spreads on CFDs are nasty. Hey Lucky, how are you? I like the lights in your... Oh, thanks Dylan. Have I messed with talent? I have not. In my book I see a lot of liquidity underneath. The more retest right now the better. Just gives you more information. True. And she's off. Okay, let's see. Yes they are, that's why I stopped. Ah, there we go. Let's be untrue, your friend is wise, especially introducing a new trader. Yeah, I've heard that those spreads are nasty. Just not worth it. Well, no, not okay, no, that's the wrong. That's a lie. I'm not gonna say not worth it, just especially like you said, as a beginner trader to start where the spreads can destroy you is not very fun. Yeah, the future spreads are much better. Definitely want to switch over soon. Ah, well, there we go. If you're looking for a good prop firm, Traderify is awesome. I know I'm overselling it a little bit. I'm sorry. I'll stop. I apologize. Okay. I'm just excited. I can trade today because my Tradervate settings knocked me out once. I made 650, but I'll stay and watch. Wait, but so you've already had a win then, no man? What? That was awesome. Whoop whoop. Sorbil, hi. Lucky, you're good. That's awesome. I'm thinking of buying another car. Which car? Aren't you saving up for your pink Bugatti? It's the train. Those spreads are kind of like a fun car. You kind of want to get in, but you're kind of terrified that she won't let you out. That's hilarious. Asia Low was on E has been taken yet. I'm about to hop on. No, it has not. What's up, Mikrobave? How you doing? Also, Asia Low on NQ is all the way down there. Just saying. Just saying. So let's see. Let's see if we're gonna make this or not. I'm gonna wait for solid confirmations that we're not just gonna chop around. So I'm setting this, but I'm not setting this, if that makes sense. Nah, I wouldn't have taken this. Nothing super special about this trade. That sounds bad, but you know what I mean. Definitely not an A+ setup. Let's say that. Pull back and down. Yeah, I won at market open. I'm practicing not over trading, so I set the Tradervate settings. No, Matt, that's awesome though. Well done. That's what you gotta do, right? Just lock yourself out to stop the, I just want to say the temptation, because that sounds, yeah. Not a pink Bugatti, I don't know, something like GTI. So, OTT, apparently, I don't know if you heard this, so maybe it's not a bad idea, get things while they're cheap. Apparently cars in South Africa are about to become so expensive. So expensive. She's watching, she says, hey girl, with the exact amount of letters I counted. That is amazing. Kara, how are you doing? I hope Mudcrab is treating you right, or else I'm gonna have to come over there and hit him with a frying pan. Oh wow, so I may have a while. Did it have a good overnight run? Not bad, not great, seen better. I mean, no, okay, that being said, I don't know why I'm saying that. It's not... check. Went down... No, it's actually moved quite nicely. For Asia, this is not bad. I take back, I don't know why I was being so judgy. Not bad at all. What's this, around... 78 points? I've seen more insane moves from Asia, but I've seen slower moves as well. Let's put it that way. Wow. She says she missed you. She's been having an emotional week. She's getting less emotional. I missed you too, Kara. Don't worry. I got you. It's okay. Okay, good boy. Good boy. I missed you too, Kara. Girls gotta stick together. Those are really big wicks, but clearly the sellers are struggling to take control. If it does go down, it might go down properly, but like I said, I'm gonna be waiting for proper confirmation. Again, really big wicks, which is promising, but tiny volume imbalance there that it jumped back up off of. See what this does. Oh, that first sip of coffee in the morning is just amazing. Well, I'm putting it out there, Mudcrab and Kari. You know, if you guys had Discord, I would have been able to chat to you guys on Discord. Wouldn't have had to miss me so much. Oh no, look at that. Boom, what's up? Spirit Time Trading, hi, how are you? How's it going? Cars expensive there because of... So, wait, how much is $100 in South Africa? Let me get the exact amount. $100 in South Africa is pretty good. What's special about Tradeify? Hey Rex, they're really good prop firm. They're a really, really good prop firm. Like I said, I was doing some snooping yesterday, and they actually won 2025 prop firm of the year, which is awesome. Because I mean, I can go back on and double check the exact stats. I think they said 75% of people that use them stick with them as well, which is really good. Pick some mama's back. What up? How you doing? What is life? You guys are amazing. Been amazing. Put it up. Oh, you guys are such sweetie pies. Guys, is OTT English? Yes, he is. Liv said to me yesterday, she weren't online. I said, yep, that's fair. Should have made her be online. Yeah, honestly. She doesn't even chat with us. Don't let her fool you. Boom banana, don't come here with your rubbish. Damn. 20 years, 2 cars. I'm starting a mentorship soon. Wait, OTT, what are you gonna look for? I'm confused. What are you gonna check out? Can't find your Discord. Is there a link for it? In the... There we go. Yes, in the description below, but I will also quickly I'll post it. Ooh, check, this is headed towards stop loss. I'm glad I waited. This is one coffee. Professional trade of 6 years, just letting you know Nas is bullish, and you should stay bullish until you reach external 4-hour highs. You think external 4-hour highs? External 4-hour highs? What? That's interesting. Also, what trading strategy do you use? Well, Welbus? Honestly, not a bad idea. He said, hey, that's... What did David say? I'm sign up for a quick swim session. That is so rude. Something is coming, too much consolidation. Let's see. Everyone is a professional. Nah! Microwave English, my first language. I have a question. I couldn't figure it out last night. How do you split your take profits on trading view? I tried it out last night. I can't seem to figure out how to. Oh, like take partials and things like that? Is that what you, Mikuave? Is that what you're asking? Yes? No? Maybe? Just give me a thumbs up and then I'll show you what I do. Oh, thanks, Shelf Expired. How are you? 400. Oh, I'm sorry. I was on a mission. Oh. I mean, it wouldn't have taken me out, but I would not have been very happy. Wow. Okay, there. I would have mitigated risk by a half. I'm pretending. I don't even know why I'm pretending like I took this trade. This is a bad market to be in right now, but dollars to rands. Someone asked how much is $100 in South Africa. $100 is 1,588 rand. Yeah, which is pretty decent. You can only do it if the broker allows it. Not all of them allows partials. I like a buy here, not entering, but I think it might block a thing. Am I just gonna have to rebrand order blocks into auto blocks now? Is that where we are at? So it's gonna be shelves, auto blocks, no longer order blocks, auto blocks. Anything else? Partials is called feed the duck. Am I missing anything? I feel like we somehow managed to come up with random lingo doing this, but anyways. I think. Pass this way back, gaps on the way back down. I don't think you're gonna be getting more. Okay, nice. Your miles. My time to shine. But I'm cooking as per usual. I'm trying to get it done sorted before the. Oh, nice. Dump coming. Good luck. Oh, let's see, guys. Hey, Geordie, what's up? Damn, that's a lot. Unpacking my stuff and catching a flight. Nomad, literally, if people come to South Africa, you will laugh at how little you have to spend doing things. We'll be there like, oh, you're spending so much money, and you're just there like, this is what I would pay for like a packet of chips, or I don't know. I'm talking rubbish, obviously. I'm just assuming, but oh, Mikuave, did you want me to show you how I take partials and leave runners with this? Yes, no, maybe. Let me know. Oh, that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to send the... Might be. Like I said, you guys are distracting me. I mean, it's okay, because there's Pupukaka price action, but it's okay. Let's see. So here we go. Here's the Discord link for anyone keen. Monte, what's up? Yeah, 400... and let me just add this. Adding things, sorry, apologies. Here you go. I'm gonna pin this in case anyone is interested. Like I said, I'm gonna be extra fussy. An extra fussy goose today with regards to my trade. Let's see if we get anything good. Would be nice to get something good, but can't force a trade either. Gotta wait for our ideal setup. 325. Oh, there's still plenty of time. Still plenty of time. Plenty. I wanted to also add this here. I'm cooking. Kiwi eater turtle soup. Market auction theory. Who still hears auto block? But I'm saying order block. Order block. Order block. Do I have to say it more like order block? Order block. Order block. You guys are making me question everything right now. No, no, I do not. Sorry. There we go. Action to VWAP. Let's see. We should jam some code, seeing as we gotta grind back up. OTT South Africa, Mikuwave? What? OTT's from South Africa. They started like half an hour. Ayo, Nomad! Whoop whoop! Welcome to the Discord. Welcome. Esports team at the same time. Alright. No, keep saying it the way. Oh, I love your accent. Thank you. You're saying it fine every time. Just selective hearing for some. No, that's valid. That is valid. I get it. I get it. Like I said, this would have been mitigated by half. Oh my gosh, this sucks. Guys, I have a blister on my thumb. Do you know how annoying it is to have a blister on your thumb? Like, of all the freaking places, the thumb is not a nice place to have a blister. Okay, we're now talking about games. That's fine. Seeming as this is meh. I don't know how else to explain this price action right now apart from meh. Do not rush into anything. I'm just reminding myself about that as well. Not to rush. Not worth it. Do not do it. Oh, Nomad, I'm so glad that you're part of the Discord. Community is growing. I love it so much, and it's such a nice community. I mean, there's some sassy people. I won't say who. I won't say who it is. Just drink coffee and see how the candle drops. Yes, sir, Dom. Yes, sir. I'm on it. Let's see. Do you think it's gonna go to past midnight, then to VWAP? If it drops decently past here, creates a nice shelf, I might be curious. Sorry. Okay, let's watch what ES does. Akadiva laying down sideways and trying to consolidate. David, if we're gonna be competing, I had my horse step on my foot and it's still sore, so maybe I also have a broken foot. Okay, but I didn't complain about that. I'm being so sassy today, I'm so sorry. I'll stop. Where'd New York close at? What, the high or the low? Neither have been taken out. Yesterday's New York high is above at 465. Yesterday's New York low is at 057. Like I said, mark them both out. 057 is New York low, and 465 is New York high from yesterday. So let's see. Oh, we did kind of go into this little bit of an order block here. Not quite, but far enough. Sorry, I didn't even notice that yesterday I had a 118 point trade. Okay, moving on. Back to this we go. Anyways, carrying on. Why do you use those fib levels? Is that something you backtest yourself? Yes. Nomad, sweet and simply. So this is the market auction theory. So I use top of the range to bottom of the range, 50%. So market auction theory, 50% premium and discount. You know, buy low, sell high. So 50% would then be entry. So this is specifically for shorts, 0.2. So 30% of this 50 is stop loss, and 2R down is TP. Oh damn, okay. There it goes. Kind of. Did reject nicely off of that volume imbalance. Let's see, now tapped into that shelf. Like I said, I'm not going to rush into anything. What time are we looking at? 3:31. It tends to do some things around this time, as you can see. Okay, so it would have worked up. Nice. Nicely called there. Would have been terrifying, but nicely called. Who's the South Queen? 465 high. Yep, she's an unhinged cupcake. Get it right. Unhinged cupcake. You know what? I'll accept it. Tuesday I had 995-point double trade up and down. This is not a competition. We'd know you'd win. But still. Hey Rashad, how you doing? Yeah, she's my little affiliated trader. Coffee and enjoy the road. So, I don't know the type of thing, but if I stop full putting, so I'm part of another community, I'm not gonna get kicked because of my tag, will I? No? No? Don't think so. You shouldn't. Hey Rip, what's up? How you doing? Only good you guess? Why do you only guess that you're good? No.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
I haven't spoken to you since you ended stream. Got it. Don't stress. We both know you're in competition with Nomad. So I'm so messing with you. There is no competition at all. Full potting is in my blood. Get rubbish. Mod gang might kick for saying hello incorrectly. Life's full of surprises in here. Geordie? Stop scaring people, honestly. That's Geordie. He's like my brother. Careful. He'll beat you up. It's like my older brother. Just kidding. He won't beat you up. Or will he? Dun dun dun. Okay, still watching the time. Still seeing. I'm trying so hard to not let the pressure take over. Under pressure. Do 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 do. Do, 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 do. That's now gonna be stuck in my head. How you doing, Rip? How's it been going? I don't know, feeling a little sad. Why are you sad? Sad backwards is dust, and dust's not good.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Did you time that? Because that was pretty solid. Anyways. I mean, definitely. Mudcrab, how would you know? You're not on Discord. Just saying. Anyways. We're actually just a chat full of moderators, low-key scary. I'll take Rip just waiting for the thank you, Mudcrab, but unfortunately I'm allergic. Allergic to shellfish! Oh, that's so rough. I'm so sorry. No. Yeah, no, he is in trouble because he won't come in and join the amazing community, and I think that's offensive. I'm gonna be angry at myself. This was an A+ setup. I am gonna be angry at myself. This was an A+ setup. Yep. This acts as a bit of a magnet. Mitigated risk by half. Yep, I'm gonna be mad at myself. See what this does here. There's cautious and then there's too cautious. I'm being too cautious now. This was A+. I had my fair value gap out of my shelves. I had the order block as well. I had 3 confluences. That was a very quick jump down, which is what you want to see. It was a decent push up as well. Would have mitigated risk by half. Let's see if it goes where I want it to go. Didn't quite push as high up as I would have liked to see it on ES though. Yes, I would have liked to have seen it tap into that fair value gap a little bit more. ES is not moving quite as well. That being said, let's see. I did say I was going to be overly cautious, but there's overly cautious and then there's just being a silly goose. Sugar honey iced tea. Crap. Let me go back to focusing. Would have taken partial there. This would now be break even.
Emotional damage.
I know, better safe than sorry, but there is... You see your A+ setup, take it. Don't be... I don't even want to say scared. I don't think scared is the right word here. It's just... You know, so close. It could so easily ruin it. I know me, I tend to do that, so I guess it's not a bad thing to wait for solid confirmations, like waiting for 4, waiting for the higher probability trades that happen around 4 AM. It's not the worst thing to do. I'm talking self out of being meh right now. That's, I mean, you're not really seeing the volume you would want to be seeing, so yeah. It's one trade, it's better than a losing trade, true. Hey Joe, what's up? Hey Wildfire, how are you? Sorry if I haven't responded to anyone. What the... Hesitate, yep, that's exactly that last hurdle. Thank you guys. There's always coffee. There's always coffee. Mark just reversed my sell limit. It was only 10 pips away. I hit my TP. Oh, Rashan, no, I'm so sorry. Yep, they would have been full TP. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the accountability thing on Discord because I should. Gotta keep myself accountable. Do I explain my strategy well enough to you guys? Do you guys understand my strategy? Sorry, I know this is very random, but like if you guys ask me what confluences would make this an A+ setup, do I explain it well enough that you understand what I'm looking at? Or not really? Sorry, someone commented something yesterday and I was like, then clearly you haven't asked me, because I'm very open and honest about like the confluences and things that I look for. Extreme close passing over, which is amazing enough. Thank you. I think the Dow will drop 150 points but finish 80 points up. Interesting. It's so annoying when market does that. Hey Lukey, what's up? I want to say this is just a retest. Let me actually go check the higher time frames again. So let's start. I'm not even going to start with the daily. Let's check the 4 hour quickly. Okay, so 4 hour. Still got further down to go. This is, I'm pretty sure this is New York's low from yesterday. Yeah. Still struggling to break above, but we're not going further down. I mean, this 1 hour look, I mean 4 hours, sorry, this 4 hour looks like garbage, but bullish. I do have a bit of a bullish bias. I just think it retested further. Let's see the 1 hour. This doesn't look very nice, does it? This is... yeah. This is just, yeah. I mean, took out that high, that's something, I guess, but this is not very nice price action. 1 hour, 15 minute. Okay, 15 minute could want to retest further down before continuation. I mean, look at those wicks. Those are pretty decent to the upside, so we could want to go further down. There's nothing hectic there. Drop past that shelf now. VWAP is a very realistic idea of where we could be headed before maybe continuation to the bull side. Struggle. I mean, I guess. No, not really. Curious about the 30 minute quickly. Ah, okay, so the 30 minute tapped into the inverse fair value gap. And now a bit of a rejection off. So is likely to see it go into VWAP. I don't think it'll go much further past that though. Let's see. Let's see. Decent doji on the 30 minute. Maybe it wants to retest that. But good solid tap into the inverse fair value gap on the 30 minute. 5 minute. We don't even really have a fair value gap or anything that's screaming at me. I mean, there's a shelf here. 322 on the 5 minute. Okay. Go back to the 1 minute. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna reach his top and make sure you snap. That's okay. Oh, you guys are funny. Hey Doman, what's up? How you doing? Would like to learn. Oh, Nomad, you would like to learn more about my strategy? Is that what you're asking? I don't remember his name. He's just tweeting. Oh, don't worry. There's a lot of people that do that. No crab. One will be pretty important for your trading if you trade early this morning. Sometimes I think AI is controlling it all. That's why it shows certain patterns. A week or two later, you see the pattern. I missed that. Shelf? had a bit of changes up, throwing people off. What's up? I can test his statement with data. Rip, I didn't even quite understand his thing, but I'm sure Mudcrab maybe understands it better. No, it looks choppy. Yes, it does. I can't even remember, but he was doing a very good job of. Let's see if we get our point amount. Thank you. Been waiting to get a few phones to test out the AI theory, see what type of delays or time versus trading phone apps. That's interesting. Just for fun, 3 candles up or bullish, and the 4th should do what? Wouldn't that be the reversal? The Mojo Jojo actually worked twice. That's hilarious. Yes, I told you. The Mojo Jojo works. The Mojo Jojo is hilarious. Oh, I forgot about the Mojo Jojo. There we go. The Mojo Jojo is also a treat. I swear I'm gonna have to start doing like the jargon of Teach Maya trading. Like I said, we got so many weird and wonderful things here. I shouldn't trade today. Oh no, Richard, no, be happy with 700 you made. That's awesome. Yes, JB, I do. I'm not sure. Okay, so okay. Market auction theory, but I specifically use top of the range to bottom of the range. So here, top of this range, top of this wick, bottom of this range would be at the bottom. So market auction theory, premium and discount. So let's just pop this here. I did not take this one because it's not an A+, and I'll show you why I don't classify it an A+. So you can see this is, oop, there we go, 1-to-1. So 50% of this range is at the 50% level. So that's my entry. My entry is at the 50% level of the range. Obviously, we don't know what these candles were going to do. You see, this actually would have been a win, but it would have been a tick away from my stop loss. So my stop loss is 30%. There we go. No, there we go. 30% of this 50% range. And I've made it a 1 to 2 hour trade. So things that I look for: shelves, order blocks, fair value gaps, my volume profile bob levels. They also count as confluences. I feel like I've missed something. Oh, volume imbalances, but it kind of goes hand in hand with fair value gaps. Hey, volume imbalances. So those are the confluences that I look for. So with this, and they have to be almost protecting the stop loss. So here, I did have fair value gaps, not bad, and I had the wicks of these order blocks on the 1 minute. The wicks aren't as good as the body of an order block. Like, they do sometimes work, but they're not as good as the body of the order block, just from what I've backtested. Okay, so this is why it wasn't an A+ setup. Anything that is 3 or more confluences is an A+ setup for me. Anything less is not A+. So why I say this one was A+ is because I will show you now. But second thing is, if the 50% of a range has been taken out, I can move to the next range. If the 50% was not tapped, I follow the range, because it is very probable that the range is going to come back up into that 50%. So as you can see, all of these 50% of all the ranges technically going down were a hit, so I can follow the ranges down, which led me to this range. Top of the range and bottom of the range would have been there. Yes. No? There. There we go. Bottom of that range. So 3 confluences. Like I said, this was actually A+, so I should have taken it. It is what it is. I had fair value gap, protecting stop loss. I had my shelves. I mean, you can see there's actually quite a few shelves. The shelf, and order block, and the body of the order block, as well as my volume profile bob level. This is this gray shaded area. All of these were between my entry and my stop loss. So was an A+ setup. Like I said, I should have taken that one. being overly cautious. I mean, you can also see this. Yeah. I mean, there is technically this volume imbalance. I don't think it works quite as nicely. It's already kind of been mitigated though. And it is below. Let's see how it reacted. Yeah, okay. This also would have worked. So it would have been risky to see if it would have entered in. You can see this volume imbalance here. Nothing closed above it. No bodies have closed above that volume imbalance. And you can see it was respected pretty solidly twice to the upside as well. So this was a very solid trade. But that being said, you can also see this price action today is not ideal. So yeah, missed trade, but with what the chart is showing me, it's also not the worst thing that I missed it. Please. Teach my trading, I'll take credits for the name. You yeah, and anyways. Turning up a daily value gap in this session mark. What's my win rate? 60%? Yeah, 60% win rate. But anyways, so you can see the amount of confluences protecting the stop loss. There we go. I hope that kind of answers some questions. Hopefully, and you guys can get an idea of what I look at. Not over the last 5 years and 4 or 5 was a big drop in April. Interesting. Money missed is not money lost. True. Let's write down from 0.5. I have a gut feeling that institutional traders might test those EQ highs, so I feel a bit bullish on this at the moment. I think they'll set up for the liquidity sheet. They can't stop everyone out of those highs. Yeah, Oryx, how you doing? Let's see. I mean, I'm not loving the price action today, but it is what it is. Captain to midnight open. I mean, it is juicy, these relative equal highs. Let's see, it's a really nice point of interest. Today? No. German, you think sell now. How long did it take you to be profitable? That guy. So, I mean, I haven't even been trading for a year yet. Also, did that answer your question? Nomad? Did it answer your question? I hope you can see what I was looking for. Here, you asked for the levels. There we go. That's my GAN box. I know, Mudcrab. Believe it or not. Believe it or not. I'm sometimes smart. Sometimes. Not always. Not always. But yeah. The setup seemed very straightforward. Eliminating noise when selecting a trade. Yep, that's basically it. Yes, it did. Hey, Nylan, what's up? How old am I? How old do I look? Are your trades proper and compatible? Yes. Yeah, 100%. Why wouldn't they be? Oh crap, sorry, it was just the way you read what I said. Sorry, no, it's okay. Well, okay, wait, hear me out though. Alright, equal highs, never mind. Because, I mean, a lot of people abbreviate equal highs differently, because some do RQH, right? That's why it took me a minute. I was like, You think I'm 16? 21 is the right answer. I'm gonna take that as a compliment. You guys are sweetie pies. No, I'm definitely not that young. I wish. What's the level at those relative equal highs? It is 369.50. Yeah, 369.50. Okay, Maya, can I get that trading view lesson now, please? Sure, Mikuwave. Okay, so. sugar honey iced tea. So this is how I do it. I don't know if there is an easier way to do it, but you're doing where you put... Give me a second. There we go. There we go. Done and done. Are you doing it where you set this up, right? Where you set up your long position? No, wait, you don't use TradingView, correct? Hey Nelson, what's up? Or 26. I'm 27, close. Sorry, but maybe it's the half cut off. Can you move it a little more down, please? Oh, sure, sorry. Sorry. Give me a second. Here's the GAN. There we go. You don't need anything else here, it's just these levels. I've seen REH, but also... Oh, okay, cool, there we go. If you have been trading a year to be profitable, are you still on your journey to consistency? I'm gonna have to let the community answer that one, because I personally don't believe I'm profitable just yet. I'm better at consistency. But I guess I am profitable, but I don't know if I consider myself profitable. So I haven't passed my eval yet. But that being said, I'm now better with taking only A+ setups. I am literally $200 away from passing this eval. Which freaks me out a little bit. My first time watching. What do you trade? I trade futures. What's up, JC? How you doing? Why are you sorry? I guess we'll never know the age of 27. Mudcrab? No, don't worry. If so, I didn't hear you. Look at my added people to a GAN kill. I'm sorry, do you have a thing against my GAN box? OTT? Do you want to fight me? I'm here. Put him up. I'm joking. That was a very flat candle there, damn. Didn't quite go high enough. Here we go. Mudcrab? Good feeling you got there, damn. Anyone else? I'd say she's consistently not losing money, but also not making any. So I'm at break even. Oh, sugar honey iced tea, man. I accidentally deleted my 3 AM opening range. Went straight back up past it. Okay. Mudcrab, good call, damn. A very good call. My funded account on TradingView all logged in. I just can't figure out how to split TP. Okay, so let's say going for the buy. Okay, so you can create limit order and it tells you exactly, you can see it's a 1-to-1 situation. You saw it was 8 contracts, right? And if you say buy, it instantly puts 8 contracts and you have 8 and 8. I then just cancel the buy. I put however many contracts I want to take partial. So let's say I want to take 5 of the 8. And then I'll click, it's in a buy. Let's say it's coming up, so you want to then put it as a sell stop, because then it'll take you out at that point for your 5 contracts partial. And there's that 4 AM. Close and open. Does that make sense? Mikuwava, if you want, we can also hop on Discord later and we can sort it out if you want. I'm happy to show you. Shoot, I might be too late. Didn't retrace there, didn't retrace there. High probability dictates it should go back up to the equal highs, but that was quite a big drop down. Normally when it's a big drop down like that, it's not ideal. Never mind. NinjaTrader is setting that also places different profit targets for different contracts. last week. The candle splitting TP works with futures if you're trading CFDs. This won't work. There's another method. I'm not the sixth name. There we go. Oh, Mikrowave, stop it. Hey, Melvin, how you doing? Mikrowave. Seriously? 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 Okay. I'm having all the correct ideas, I'm just not taking them. Man, come on, Maya, focus. Let's do this. Okay, it is struggling here. Neither of those wicks are very pretty right now. To get those relative equal highs would be nice, but is it gonna break above? Might have a retest there. Very nice wick there. Good rejection off of that volume imbalance. Good retest. Oh, never mind. What is happening? Stay patient, market's baiting you in a little bit. Okay, give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna go. Never mind, maybe I'm trapped in here by my dog. Give me 2 seconds before I jump in. I can feel that I want to click things, so I'm actually going to quickly stand up, walk around, and come back. Okay. I see I missed nothing. Is this a Mojo Jojo trade? No. Could this be a Mojo Jojo? Sorry, sorry, sorry. Stop everyone out then hit this. Macros, if you buy, sell them at so you take 2 cons off at level, sell them at 2. Yes. Jojo! Let's see. Do we think this is the Mojo Jojo trade? If it is, that's hilarious. I'm gonna pop this a little bit further back. Okay. I mean, it's not a great one. Don't think it is. Let's see. See if it breaks above or below this. I don't quite know if I would call this the Mojo Jojo one. Pretty solid break there, though. Jody, close your eyes. Let's see. Not yet. We're going.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
It's It's just not breaking far enough. Okay, well, it broke out the Mojo Jojo. If this genuinely works, patent pending. 100%, because it's too funny. Let's see this. On that level. Oh, I'm not taking this is insane, but it's funny. It is funny. With a lot of liquidity, it's it can't stop a lot of people out of those equal highs. They'll be instantly happy to sell soon. They just regain liquidity. Doesn't suggest that I'm on the money here. Well, let's see. Oh damn. Mojo Jojo's on a mission here. You look a bit like Jesse from Tour. I mean, that's a compliment. I just have to get like red hair, right? 2 for 2 so far with this Mojo Jojo. Honestly, guys. Let's see. That was quite a hectic doji. Looking for 3 for 3 for Mojo Jojo. Let's see. Retest into here. Ah, maybe not today. Let's see. Nah, ooh. Look at how flat that is with the wicks on ES. What the heck, man? Oh? Patent pending. Nah, maybe not. Let's see. I mean, it hit the Mojo Jojo line and rejected off of it. Ah, but you see, now we're coming to the X. X marks the spot. I think the... Ah, damn. Abandoned. What did I just say? Was that English? That was not quite English. There's even a bigger Mojo Jojo. No ways. Is there a bigger Mojo Jojo? Oh damn! There's a bigger Mojo Jojo happening. Would it be from here though? No, not there. Could you draw it from there? No, I don't like that. Nah. Let's see. Oof, would have taken me out. Okay, don't trust the Mojo Jojo and the market auction theory. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it's stuck in this volume profile right now. We have Nasdaq charts. Yep. What a wonderful experience. I'm a forex trader. I haven't done futures before. What's up, Kush? How are you doing? Futures are quite fun. I'm not gonna lie. They can be interesting, but they're fun. Ah, Mojo Jojo didn't win. Okay, so 2 out of 3. Except, let's maybe look on the 5-minute. I know we're having fun and messing around. I should maybe try and find a trade. But, like I said, I don't want to now go and be a complete chop. Me. Okay. Equal highs do look like the way to go. I go slightly less, because I only need 200. Make this less of a loss. Not gonna be a loss. Make it 140, or do I just do normal? I have, right here. Equal highs. I have marked them. We'll go to after. You have M and Q. Is it different between the two charts? It is a little bit different. Not like crazy, but there is a little bit of difference that goes between them. Okay, volume imbalance. 2. A little bit of this. Let's see. $2026 and we can't have personalized emoji on YouTube. Oh shoot. It just disrespected that volume imbalance on ES. Come on. Come on, go get those equal highs. That looks more like a goose than a duck. We're all just a bunch of silly geese here, let's just be real. No man. What are you doing? Absolute ninny. Sorry. Oh, that would have been really bad. Whee. 5. Oh no. And come in. Don't do that. Rip, talk to yourself. Talk to yourself. This looks like a duck. The command thing is closed off again. Is it? Sorry, that was maybe the Wi-Fi doing things. Thank you. Look at how moving. Really couldn't ask for better price action. OTT moment of truth. Thanks. You know, actually, I don't even think I can look. I'm just gonna keep focusing on you guys. Rip, that's such a bad position. Why?
Emotional damage.
You're gonna short it equal highs hit. If so, I'd probably chuck in them. See, the goose is a duck. What? Well, actually, maybe not seeing you so close to Evolve. I don't even know right now. I don't even know. I'm not even looking. I'm waiting for a beep, and then you guys can just tell me to look or not. And you can tell me if I'm gonna be happy or sad. Swing line liquidity are created. Hey Win, what's up? I looked. Oh well. Oh, this thing looks like it might want to go down. I don't even want to see it right now. Oh, that was funny. That was funny. Take my glasses off. I don't even want to look at this right now. jokes. So what are your confluences, miss? What made you take that? Sweet and simply, bob level, bunch of volume imbalances, shelf. Am I shaking? No, I'm not shaking, I'm fine. I want to look down. No. If I can get out on next screen, why? Dom, you think this is the next opportunity to short? Yes? Look at these volume imbalances. A hectic one here. Respected it on ES quite nicely as well. When you're buying. Why are you doing sad music? Stop it! Can't do sad music right now. You're gonna freak me out. Okay. 6 break even. Sorry. I'm shaking. I'm shaking. Okay. I haven't even looked to see if it got the correct balance. Take some air. No, I'm gonna have to. But partial's taken, so it's only a win. Why? Why close once you pass? What difference does it make? No! I didn't pass! No! Shoot! I'm on 52963. 963. That is not okay. Seriously? Okay.
Emotional damage.
General founder and CEO, what's up? Did I blunder? I didn't blunder. I don't think I blundered. Did I blunder? Nah, I didn't blunder. How much do I need to pass? 23. So, yeah. Say $40. $40. Now you want to take smaller position size next trade. So I took smaller position size for this trade. Maybe that's the problem. I did take a smaller position size, but because the price action isn't ideal, and I only needed a specific amount, and I thought if it was a loss that I'm not losing full amount, so maybe that was the problem, but it's okay. If you took all on the last green, would you have passed? Yes. I would have. Oh, it's like if I had taken it out here? Oh shoot, probably. I may have. Will I accept it? What? Don't take any trade in New York today and take a trade tomorrow in London. Why, Rip? And then from there you'll have a better look at the confluences. True. About $40. Yeah, I know. Okay, let me mark this. I still think this might reject off of this volume imbalance. Rip, why were you so surprised when I mentioned volume imbalance? Like, I mean, look at this. There's this volume imbalance and this volume imbalance. There's a lot of imbalances over there. Rude. This is now gonna hit TP, isn't it? No, no, we can't assume that. Leave it alone. Okay, I'm breathing. I'm breathing. I didn't see if I had passed LP. How's everything going today? OTT? I'm $40 away. I always take when close to TP, I lock in. So Stefan, I take partials. So I did take partials there. And then I moved to break even, so it's a win no matter what. You said you just went on invisible emotional roller coaster. No, I hear you, I hear you. And check your 1 hour 15 and 5, of course. Don't worry, I'm breathing. Okay, here's ES. Anything in particular on ES that you want to see? It did create an SMT on ES, by the way. It took out the highs. That was that wick. It did indeed take out the highs. Let's see, so this is the imbalance that it did reject off of there.
Emotional damage.
Gosh, that was good. That was brutal. LP, what's your balance at now? It's 9,52963. Yeah, oh well. 52963. Just wanted to see that. My that's a lot. Yep. Less than 50. Yep. The horror. No, I don't. It doesn't even begin to explain it right now. But it's okay. It's fine. Okay. Okay, now. Okay, checking. Set the 15 and the 5, hey? Maddie, what did you want to see? You're killing it anyways, Maya. Win-wins. You're amazing. Thank you. Rip, I don't know. What if like an A+ setup comes that I can literally mitigate everything, and it could be because, I mean, technically I get billed tomorrow. I don't have to get billed. That would be great. No, but that being said, that's also being greedy. Let's see. Okay, 1 hour. I mean, the 1 hour is going up super slowly. Look at that doji on the 1 hour. There's nothing amazing going on here right now. Let's just be real. Can I ask a maybe dumb question? You'll let it go without you, but you're very prone emotionally to do a bad decision. No, I hear you, Rip. I do hear you. I do hear you. It's just because it's so close. But it's excited, but it's still emotional. I get it. So the dumb question is this, okay? And like I said, I do apologize if it's dumb. I don't even know if I want to ask it. Is this Are these candles here? I'm not going to draw anything, or else that's going to be chaotic. No! Damn. Are these two candles here technically an inverse fair value gap? Like, I know, again, like I said, that sounds like a dumb question, but two huge candles like this next to each other, does that count as an inverse fair value gap? Nothing amazing. So yeah, that's the question. Again, I'm sorry if it's a dumb question. Just curious. Yes, 10% of all funds and must make double because we only win 40% of the time. You're still profitable. Hey Joseph, what's up? No one's answering, so now I feel like it was a dumb question. But anyways, okay, 1 hour, 15 minutes. I mean, it's an inverse, I guess, on the lower time frames. No, but if you look at on a lower time frame, you might find one around that price level. Okay, so they don't count as inverse, but not sure. Where did I see it? There's a very nice inverse fair value gap on the 30 minutes around that area. Okay, so it doesn't necessarily mean it if they're both next to each other, but you might find it on a lower time frame. Cool, thank you. Okay, but it wasn't a dumb question, right? It was valid. I just yeeted my hair clip. There we go. Oh, I was playing with it. There we go. I found it. No, I did not find it. What did I find? Oh, I found my shell. Okay, moving on. Oh, wow, I think you found a nice one, and yep. Same bike, because, like, log, but I'm alive. Oh, sorry, Joseph. Sometimes put swing picks to AI and ask what happened in the markets if I don't get it or I want to learn. Oh, that does it help you, really? Like, is it useful? Is it first before a run on liquidity? I don't understand if NQ and ES look basically the same. Why is NQ like 20k points higher in price? Like, think about it. Isn't it? Interesting. I didn't really think about that, Mikuabe. Oh wait, so this is the 15 minutes. Let's check 5 minutes. Then I'll show you the half an hour. The half an hour has that goodie. Okay. Ooh, it's going down. Okay. Quick noob. Yeah, here we go. Okay, 1 minute. Down, down, down. Oh. Let's see, are we going to continue down, down, down? Was this just a bit of a liquidity sweep before continuation? I mean, see, it did reject off of these volume imbalances. Obviously not as much as you'd want to see, but it did reject off of them. See you, make it move. Thank you. Boom. You're gonna laugh at me. Sorry, Rip. What? I think they just said it. I don't think she'll go back up. So, boom, you're gonna laugh at me. You're actually gonna laugh at me. 52963. Yeah. 52963. Oh, come on, guys. We are 3 subscribers away from 13,300. Anyways, I think she'll go back up there now sometime. I know. I know. I know. Ah, sugar honey iced tea. It's fine. It's fine. Let's see, boom. Hey! Oh! Heck yeah! We're on 13,300. Whoop whoop! No! Oh, that was nasty. Who did that? Who did that? That was mean. Oh. Bigger BB, that's... I appreciate you. Ever unsubscribe to ruin that moment. That was so unnecessary. Bet that was David. David, was that you? Guys, that was...
Emotional damage.
Putting me through the freaking ringer here today, all of you. Honestly. Honestly. Seeing the disappointment in Maya's face. That is so mean. Quick, everyone unsub and resub. Let's mess with her. You guys are so mean. Mikwawave? Careful. Guys, I'm meanies. Good grief. Okay. Don't let things get to you now. Just continue. Carry on carrying on. Wow, this price action is a little redonkulous. All is so mean to my... Thank you! I told you! Everyone hates me! Last time I asked, will you? You're ignoring me and that's not very nice. Let's go back to 0 subs. RTG, you're such a bully. Rip, I don't know! I don't know. I'll sub if you answer. I answered. I don't know, like I said, what if an awesome setup... how about this? It's hands off until we get correct volume with a solid A+ setup like that one I had during New York on Tuesday. That one New York on Tuesday was... Did you guys see that one on Tuesday? Corn puppies? You think so? Now you know what David feels every day. $40 effort, 1 mini short, close in 30 seconds, 2 points done. I know. Full pot. With 1 mini, let's go! I traded that one on Tuesday. No, it was during New York. You didn't trade that one on Tuesday, did you? No, I have to find it. Yeah, this one was the freaking banger. This one was a really nice trade. It's where I was a little bit greedy. I should have just taken it, taken my runner at my volume profile level. I won't call it the bomb level because some of you get upset if I say that. But like I said, this one had like 5 confluences. Something stupid. Oh, there we go. Yeah, no, so if we have a look at this one on Tuesday, this one was like chef's kiss. Why did I make full TP? It doesn't matter. I mean, you can see here, I had fair value gap, shelf, VWAP, which is 3. My bob level, which is 4. There was something else. Oh, it was to do with the opening range and 5 minute, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, and the 5 minute range as well. And a little bit of this. No, okay, I won't really count this order block there. Obviously, I don't have the opening. Oh, opening range. There. This was the opening range. 5 minute range. Yeah, 5 minute range. Like I said, there was a lot going for this trade. Anyways, back to this. That was the 100-point banger you caught. Was it on Tuesday? Don't help you long term finding the strength to say, if you market, I'll make my own decision. Be free. Be free, little buyer. Freedom! Volume, eat your heart out. The order blocks did unite, but bob to bob. Why are you hating on the bob levels? Just saying. Ooh, we have created some relative equal levels. Oh damn, look at this now. Created relative equal lows. And there's equal highs above. Holy range. Just what is this? I don't hate anything, I only have room for love. I don't know, I'm still confused how to do separate take profit. So, okay. Mikuwave? Must we go through this like step by step? Yes? You happy with that? So let's go here. Let's say you were... I don't know. Let's say you're aiming for this, right? Wouldn't have tagged in, but it's fine. Then you create your order. Let's say you want to risk $100, 6 contracts. Okay. So 6 contracts. What's this? 3.9, 4-hour trade. You would hit your buy limit. It would come back in to get you. You can also change it to a stop or a stop limit here, but obviously you're wanting this to retest in, so it would be a limit order. Once you're in, you can close your TP. Okay. You can close your TP. Then at the top here, so this is where I do it. I'm pretty sure there's an easier way to actually do this, but yeah. I changed the contract amount. So let's say you want to just take 1 partial at a certain area. You'll click what, at midpoint, around midpoint. Okay, you'd click. Now you're in a buy, right? So you need to place the opposite, which would be a sell stop, and it would come to take your sell stop, and then you put the remainders at the top and you make it another sell stop with the remainder of the contracts. So you have to manually do it, but does that make sense? Everybody tomorrow, Friday, playing the chop, I love these days. No, never play the chop. Chop, chop. Mikuwave, does that kind of make sense? It automatically creates a partial for you, and there is an easier. What's the easier way to do it? So I've been actually making my life really difficult. You just move. If I saw there. Okay. So I saw there if you cancel this. But won't this move everything? Yeah, because then you have to cancel that. See, that's how I know how to do it. Sorry, I kind of taught myself how to do that, Mikuwave. But that's how I taught myself how to do it. It's not all that much more effort, to be honest. You probably should just do it the way you have been. Okay. Okay, cool. No, then I will stick to how I know how to do it. It makes sense to me. It keeps me busy as well, so... yeah. Okie dokie. Holy range. Okay, holy range. Hey, Green Global Explorations. Long time no see. How's it been going? Because this... it only gave me the option for buy stop, not a... Can you send me a screenshot on Discord? Now you like the Mojo Jojo. Yes or no, there's not enough angle going on. Does that make sense to make a good proper X marks the spot? Hey Kushi, how many days do I stream? I'm here every single day, Monday to Friday. I'm always here. You're gonna get very annoyed with me. Just kidding. I'm low-key just kidding, but me. Hey there, what's up? How you doing? How's it been going? Are you doing amazing? Long time no see. I hope you are doing fantastic. How's the trading been? So I'm taking a little breather now. I'm just gonna chill. Let's see, where are you going? Okay, bye. Nikuave, send me a DM. Oh, I'm kidding. That was very creepy. I'm so sorry. I won't do that again. There's actually 100% probability you'll break out of the Mojo Jojo. Well, I mean, yeah, it's eventually gonna break out of it. It's just how big do you make the breakout? Does that make sense? Hello. I'm good. I caught some good profits on crypto and I'm just chilling. Really? Wait, what's Biddy looking like? Is it hedging? I'm new here. Do you have tutorials on YouTube? Is it stock trading or currencies? Aww. Hey, Takun. Sorry, I feel like I butchered that. What's up? How you doing? So no, I'm doing day trading. I'm on the Nasdaq futures. Hi, by the way. How's it going? Zane, been waiting for 2 days and no reply so far. For requested a payout. From who? Which prop you on? So size matters, got it. No! That's not what I meant! Good grief. You did? Are you sure? How sure are you that you sent it? I do not have it. Nikuave is lying. He didn't DM me. Just kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm half kidding. Oh wait, maybe it's in under request. No, but I don't even have requests. Okay, let me use that. Okay, I've sent you a message. I've sent hey. Zane, you're on... Oh, that's interesting. I haven't heard anything bad about Lucid ever. What? That's very interesting. What's better, video YouTube series, how to take a 5k EVO and get to 100k funded, or stream series using a 5k EVO all the way to 100k? OTT, I think it depends on you, to be fair. Like, would you feel too much pressure doing it live? Then make it a video series. Or would you have more fun doing it live, in which case do it live? I really think it depends on who you are as a person. Like, I enjoy the interactions. I know a lot of people don't enjoy the interactions, so yeah, if that makes sense. solid engineering this month. I should look into it. Israel, I have looked into OTE. It, like I said, I need to head back and look at it again now that I'm more knowledgeable. But when I did look into it, it just didn't make any sense to me. I didn't like it. It confused me. I couldn't see the pattern behind it. But like I said, I did that very early on in my trading career, if you will, so meh. I'm not surprised I'm not new, so it's just, I think it's not. Oh, okay, then that makes sense. Wait, someone has been messaging me as you. Is that not you? Oh, Mikuava, maybe not. No, there is, sorry guys, there is a scammer out there. So, yeah. Okay. So it is there, so for a buy. I'm saying to take partials, the top one. So, Mikuave, under ad alert on MES1, there's a sell for. That's the sell limit. So I just always look for the opposite. If I'm in a buy, I look for where it says sell. If I'm in a sell, I look for the one that says buy. Like it's that, yeah. That's it, that's all I do. One, two. Shoot, it's only two. Two. Kind of three if it bounces back into there. I don't know if I want that to be taken. It just took out equal lows. Two created it. Another equal low. Positions, what does it look like here using full range? A little bit there. Wanted to tap back into midnight opening price. Sorry. Oh, thanks, Debbie. Yeah, guys, they are scammers. I apologize. I bet it's David. Wow. Entry would be basically where her stop is. Scammers each of the world. Jesus. What, this one here? Or going back down to... You do want the fast up slow down. Mitigate this by quite a bit. You need $40. 190, I lose 100. Make 190. Got my bob level, I got that. 2, 3. Looking out there, which means there's clearly resistance. Let's see. At least calculate how much points money you need. Oh, hey! See, I was doing that before. Wow, and disappoint you. No, still not working. When I make that sell limit order, it deletes the original buy order and just places. What? Can you record your screen? Okay. Can you record your screen? That's confusing my brain now. Okay, cool. I'm glad it's not just me, Mikuwa. We were both like, what? You see, I'm not even paying attention. I'm just... Whatever happens, happens now. Let's make this 2. Oh wait, Mikuave, did you see what I did there? Can I show what I did? I am. Green globe, why? Oh, disappointment first and few pass, because I would love for you to. That means it'll take you a bit longer for extra confirmation. Today, but I'll get time on chat later. I'll show you the voice channel because I think you can screen share. Yes, you can. I am in the trade. Yeah, maybe it doesn't work and it's fine. A good rejection on ES. Nope. Hasn't quite hit that shelf on ES. Let's see. Come on, reject more. There we go. ES has that good rejection. Hey Michelle, what's up? How you doing? How are you? Not quite what I wanted to see there. Mud crab shorting gold. I'm gonna buy. Oh, good grief. The conflicting views is real. The conflicting views is real. One stop loss in 2 weeks. That's not bad. What the heck, man? Oh no. I'm assuming you guys know each other. So shorting but DAX. No, GC was in a chop but missed a buy trade 1 hour back. Oh well. NQ long. No thanks, boom. Seriously? Hey Kushi, what sessions do I stream? Both London Open and New York Open. That's so mean. Oh, okay, cool. What's up? What's up? Have you used your prop? No, I'm gonna have to help him set up. I feel like he's actually trading, but trading view is so quick to set up and load. I have a load each chart up one by one and adjust candles. What? That's a bit ridiculous. What do you mean? Mikuave? That's not okay. Spigolito, what's up? You're here. How are you doing? Long time no see. I hope you're doing amazing. Trench Kid Bunny, hi. Welcome, welcome. How's it going? Aren't you? So, you're tripping the chart. I'm not even looking, so it's okay. Hey, Dom. I mean, you've been really accurate today, so let's see. Spigolito, I'm so glad. Are you? I don't know. Should I try get a partial? I mean, I could get a partial. Should I just, like, close if it reaches my point of interest, or... Why do you want me to take off my glasses? Instead of first. You're so sweet, thank you. that I can punch you. What? Lost? What? Why? What is wrong with you? Why are you so aggressive? Oh no. It's 5090. Oh no. I think this is happening because that guy is still praying for your downfall. Oh! That guy on Instagram? Yeah, he was... That was low-key terrifying. Like, I felt a little bit threatened, but at the same time, there was no reason to feel threatened. It's not like he threatened me. It was just, like... very aggressive. Trench Kid Bunny, of course you can subscribe. Thanks, that's something positive. People say I'm aggressive. What? Good thing it didn't tag you in. What are you talking about? I'm in this. That's why I challenged you to do that. For time freedom. Oh, interesting. Shoot. Okay. And I'm out. Okay, back to 851. That's okay. Is it weird that it's almost better? There's pressure on it. If you're gonna disappoint me, that was pretty brutal of you to say, Rip, just saying. Also, Mudcrab, this is like the third time you were wrong, just saying. It's because I came back to watch. Probably, yes. I did. Short is on in my opinion. You just got tagged out. Let's see. Let's see if it rejects here or not. It still hasn't hit stop loss on ES. I'm not in the trade on ES, obviously, but it hasn't. Ah, my crab L signal! Yes, but last week, Mudcrab. Last week, every trade was a gamble. Oh, no, I'm joking. So, incoming. DJ Crypto, the bias is bullish. Stop shorting. Buy, Rip. Do I have PayPal? Why? The NYMO, no. The NYMO? No? Now you're making me question things. What's that? I've not backtested that. Let me now get this. We'll see where my notes. Notepad. French Kid Bunny, do I have FOMO? No. I was $40 away from passing my eval. So, yeah. Oh, the FOMO app. There's a FOMO app. Big Short has giving sign. We don't talk any selling above the NYMO in New York. Why? Why is that? Zane? Ah, today's the worst. Reversing away from entry. They will not hit my stop loss and reversing. Thank you, Zane. Thank you. I appreciate it. I mean, I've marked them out. Here's the midnight. Here's just, I guess you could say, Asia Open, right? Appreciated. Thanks, Anne. Much appreciated. I'm not in this, but this was gonna hit your TP. Your GAN is just set up different to my entries. Well, let's see. Maybe it wants to take out equal highs first. Like I said, it did take out the equal lows. Maybe it wanted to just grab the liquidity and then head back up. It's possible, and it's fine. Like, by the way, both your trades were in that market condition you love. Just Rip sassy today. Bye. Bye, Rip. Good grief. I mean, you're not wrong, but still. You're not wrong, but still. Yeah, there we go. Thanks for the sub, KG. Appreciate ya. Rip is right though. Hands off, hands off, hands off, hands off, hands off. It's stuck in this. Sorry, I'm just, I'm journaling. Okay. There we go. Journaling again. I think I had to take it early. Now I believe it's bouncing again. Hey Sherlock, what's up? This is Lumi Trades. Amazing explanation by her. Thank you. I actually really like her. Whoa, okay. There's the equal highs now taken. Holy moly. So it did. It wanted to take out the equal lows and then go back up to the equal highs. One trade away still. You just tried a quick one under pressure. You'll still get there. One good A+ setup away. No, you're right. You're right. Brutal Rip. 100%. Yes, high probability was met again. Yeah, but it messed around a lot before it went there. The high probability would have happened earlier, but it did take out the highs. You are correct. My opinion, if I were you, I'll look for long, but it's just my opinion. Don't take it. Green globes. I'm now gonna go hands off until I get solid confirmation. Oh, rips up steady spaghetti. Rips up steady spaghetti. A lot of liquidity sweep just now. Okay, so Muddy, you're feeling shorts now that it's taken out the equal highs. Let's see. I took out liquidity on both ES and NQ, so a drop down now isn't the worst thing to see. I would like to actually see it get out of this freaking bob level. That would be ideal. Hey AYZ, how much risk per trade? Around $200 per trade. Oh, okay, Muddy's in a short. Nice. Mr. Krabs is in a short. $150. Let's see. Which I wasn't gonna trade there, but I'm in now. Is it at least you're not risking as much, are you? Or what's the plan? Taking out yesterday's high. No ways. You think it's gonna go all the way up there? I don't know. I don't know about that, Stefan. I feel like that's really far up for this sideways price action. Ah. Can explode any second being this close to passing. Yeah. I need to sit back, take a breather, so that Rip doesn't yell at me more. Good grief. I feel like I need to put myself on timeout. Damn. Why am I trading NQ before New York Open? Hey, Bison Glory. I trade NQ on London and New York Open. I've actually had quite a bit of success during London trading NQ, believe it or not. I know a lot of people are very against that. Believe me, I get yelled at pretty often for that. Yeah, give me 2 seconds, guys. I'll... BRB. And nothing's happened. Anyways. Bison Glory, don't worry. Yeah, I like to believe I try to always respond. Like I said, obviously sometimes I miss some of the messages, but yeah, what's up, Bison Glory? How long have you been trading for? What you doing? Martin, what's up? For a few weeks and really enjoy your streams. Thank you for sharing your journey. Of course, Martin. Welcome. Thanks for talking up. I appreciate. Or speaking up, talking up, hyping up. I really appreciate it. And welcome. Have you joined the community? You're more than welcome to join. Been more than 7 years. Wow. And profitable. What strategy do you use? Okay, come here. Come here. Come say hi. Come say hi. Come say hi. Everyone, they're only here to see you. Let's just be real. What do I think about who? I don't know. Hello. Oh, Martin, do you not have... Discord is like a social platform and you can chat and share... Yeah, chat and share things. I know, he is actually the star here. I'm just the person that has the opposable thumb. But he's actually why people come to this channel. I know the truth. It is what it is, hey. Oh. Good boy. This is how he gives hugs. He leans against people. It's cute until he does it to someone that's on, like, crutches, and it's not so cute. But anyways. From the GAN box on a Fibonacci. I mean, I could. I don't think it really makes much of a difference, to be fair. 334 TP. Okay, let me pop it on. 334 TP. Okay. 334 TP. 314 runner. And 378 stop loss. Damn, really nice trade. Muddy. Okie dokie, I'm stuck here now because Perry's sitting underneath my chair. Ooh, clicked the wrong thing. just wanted to take out those highs first. Like you said, not the worst trade idea. Just had to come and take out the highs before it went down. Oh well. Hey Gok, what's up? I'm just saying what every guy really for. Just entered the cell on a one lot by accident. Oh, but that's okay, I think. A gorgeous little stealth cracker. I like that. Still trying to find my strategy, trying out a few. Right now in London, I'm trying to from fair value gaps, New York Open, I do 15-minute orbs thing, but yeah, trying to figure this trading thing out. Interesting. And Martin, how long have you been trading for? I think trying to find your strategy is one of the most difficult things because there's a lot of strategies out there and not every single strategy is going to work for you, even though it works for other people. What the heck, man, Mudcrab? Seriously? Since last summer. Ooh, nice. Okay. Well done then. So, have you found any that you've been enjoying, or meh, do you like the 15-minute orb? My little olive. David.
Emotional damage.
Anyways. Oh, that's just to, Nikowave's comment there. So the institutional traders tend to try to stop the relative equal highs out because they generally have their stops right around it, hence the bounces. So once it sweeps, its liquidity value is prime for sell. That, yeah, no, it does make sense. It makes a lot of sense. That's why you always mark out the relative equal highs, and they tend to be a really nice point of interest. So the trade during New York yesterday, my TP was at relative equal lows. My full TP, or my runner, actually, I stopped at relative equal lows. If I'd left it running, I would have... It is what it is. It is what it is. We're still stuck in this damn range. Okay. Wait now for A+. Wait now for A+. Wait now for A+. Why are we getting the ban hammer power abuse? You guys are so fun. Did you just ban him? You can't do that to Mikawave. Is Mikawave still here? Where is he? We like Mikawave. He must stay. It was so mean to him. This. It was only 5 minutes! You put him on a ban for 5 minutes? Where's Mikawave gone? Hey Martin, what's up? Sorry, let me read this. I feel the orb is a coin flip most days, but from backtesting it should be profitable over time. True, what type of Rs do you aim for? You'll be... Shoot, I can't even, like, take them off. Mikawave, if you're watching this, it's not my fault. Ooh, Martin. Okay, one-to-ones are a bit difficult. I know this because I used to trade one-to-ones. You really need a high win rate with the one-to-ones. Welcome to my world. I used to get that a lot. That's very interesting. If you download Discord, I'll be very keen to chat with you about this. Now I can really tell Maya she's my sweet little sugar. Oh, y'all are funny. Hands off. I'm just gonna keep playing with my shell. Still got a little bit of time. Still got a little bit of time. Let's see what we get. Mikuabe. Mudcrab, it's so close to your TP. Yeah, Martin, go for it, because then, yeah, we can discuss. You can maybe show me your strategy. Like I said, you've seen my strategy before. I don't know if you've ever maybe given it a try and your thoughts on it. Some people love it, some people hate it. There's mixed opinions when it comes to this strategy. I enjoy it, but, you know, again, every strategy works. It just depends on who you are as a person. I very strongly believe that. Shorty here, shorty there. Hey Jose, what's up? I'm not gonna take it. I'm just curious. No, I'm not gonna take it. Literally one good trade away from final. Really, that's a little gamble. Didn't do all that much except give you a shot at passing. No, that's true. Hey, some guy, what's up? Happy Thursday. How you doing? How's your mom? How are you? How you coping? I agree. I think risk management is crucial to be successful. The strategy is kind of secondary. That's exactly it. Risk management and the damn psychology. I know I walked on and on and on about the psychology, but oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so hard. Hey Cameron, what's up? If it reacts to anything fit out of gap, then we can look for short. Interesting. Around here, what's this? 358 level? So if you think there's a solid rejection off of that, we're good to go.
That's what she said.
Nice. Noise. But you wait for your setup and get your confluences and stay disciplined. As per usual, you're only one good trade away. True. Hey Brilliant, what's your time frame? Time frame relevancy on high time frame might help significantly if you build the narrative levels in the market. 1 hour swing structure for scalping time frames. Brilliant? I hope I said that correctly. So I do a top to bottom analysis before, but I am on the 1 minute time frame. But like you see, I do swap betwixt the time frames. I shouldn't have maybe traded today, but it is, but it's fine. Like Mudcrab said, shouldn't beat myself up. I did it. It happened. Moving on. On to the next trade. Okay, that's good. You're watching my she's running down too. Wait a minute, should I come out of work early and I can't hear the song without. That is amazing. I forgot there was another thing. Okay, so we now have market orca theory, auto blocks, watermelon Asia high, feed the duck, shelves. I feel like I've missed another one. Was there anything else? Was that it? Were those the weird Maya channel things that we're just gonna, I don't know, gonna start making it a thing? You really only release a lot of tension in your head if anything, so no, you're only one trade away. That's not bad. True, true. The Nasdaq. Silly goose, but I mean, yeah, that's not. Sure, just commonplace for strongest. I've watched 2 seasons of it today. Interesting. True. The Bob levels as well. That's valid. Nearly forgot about that, Jose. My game, basically. I guess you could say shelves or pivot points. Yeah. Clothing transfer. Oh damn, this just got real dark real quick. Okay, carrying on. Sorry, I know I went real quiet there. I have 4. I have 4, do I take it or not? Let's wait for change of character to not be in a rush. Cameron, valid. 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 Yeah, I don't use that wasn't well. Mine woke up from a dream. Some guy, what a way to say that! That's what Maya calls them, are basically pockets of rejection acceptance blocks. Yeah, I guess also the pivot points is not a bad way. Of course, now what should be a win because I didn't now take this? What should be a banger trade because I did not take this? Oak tree, put a baby oak tree in timeout. Whoopee. Hello labs, how you doing? Mother fluffer. Like, this is almost comedic. Concept from the fantasy series The Wheel of Time. First life is the dream from which we all must wake up. I really like that. I really, really like that. Mitigate risk by half there. To be fair, it's basically the same trade, just with a little bit more confluences, but oh well, it is what it is. Yeah, that being said, I still had my confluences. Fine. Okay. 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 Okay.
Emotional damage.
Yep. 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 Hey, Ollie, what's up? No ways, that is hilarious. That is so funny. To be fair, let's see what this does here. It's still struggling to break below. This thing is really struggling. No, it's still not optimal price action. Leave it alone. It's still not optimal price action. Leave it alone. I pressed the wrong thing. It's still not optimal price action. Leave it alone. 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 This conversation just got real deep. Mudcrab, are you good? Kara, go hug your husband, please. Love by someone, so I can't complain. No, you're loved by a lot of someones. Let's just be real, Muddy. We all love you here. That guy, you missed a perfect bear flag setup. Where do you see a bear flag? Sorry, I'm not great at seeing bear flags, so you're gonna have to help me out a little bit with that one. That guy. Where's the perfect bear flag setup? Braylon, you are correct. Actually, you are very correct. Leave it alone. Just stop looking at the stupid balance. Leave it alone. Do I trade bear flags and bull flags? No, not really. I've even said I'm not great at spotting them. I'm really not great at... Oh, this! Here, is this what you're talking about? This little bear flag here? Yeah? Is that what you're talking about? Like I said, I'm not great... He's not love for me, he banned... Did he ban you or did he put you in a timeout? We may try to short, I guess, if it breaks. Oh, interesting, that guy. Like I said, I'm not great at spotting them. I'm really not great. I've never claimed to be good at spotting bear flags and bull flags. I've always known about them, but... Time out. Oh, good grief. So green globes, I was like $40 away from passing, and then I had this loss. So now I'm 52851. I'm $150 away. Oh well, it is what it is. Nope, I'm still out on the other account. Interesting. Oh, what? Okay, Mudcrab, give me a second. Let me sort you out. At the end of the day. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Louis, what time frame? I'm on the 1 minute right now. Yeah, green glow. Oh, let's see. It's okay. Good tip with bear flags. If they're building within a massive date candle, I'm going to shot along at the rejection of the high low. Oh, data candle. That's an A+ flag setup. Interesting. As you're entering a trade, you can achieve only. Thanks, Cameron. I appreciate it. One trade at a time. I think I just let the pressure get to me a little bit, and then I let the pressure get to me, so I didn't take this trade. It's okay. It is what it is. Why is always the same liquidity sweep so I can settle back towards the viewer? But okay, Mudcrab, that being said, hear me out. And I know exactly what you're talking about with the equal highs and equal lows. It's what I tend to look for is, yeah. Let's look at yesterday's trade. Where are we at? Okay, yeah. So, can you see these relative equal lows right here? You can see that's where my TP was, right by these relative equal lows. That was my full take profit. So, I mean, you can see it rejected off of it there, but then it just kept going. It just kept going. I know it's never like an exact, right? The markets are still unpredictable to a degree, but yeah, I thought that was interesting. You can see that's where and why I had my TP there. Ooh, nice rejection off of the volume imbalance. Would have hit my stop loss, but anyways. Good rejection off of the volume imbalance there. Should work pretty well on time. Miko Bave, you're just the bestest. Just remember that. I'm passing out in October, you were nearly 2,000. Eva passes basically a certainty. Thanks, some guy. I appreciate it. Martin, say that again from. Where did Martin say something? Elifiando, what's up? How are you doing? Yeah, I agree. I think that would have been from prior days. That hurt the VWAP because Monday is a continuation of the prior week, which was interesting. Been looking for sales since London Open. Hey Scarface, what's up? I mean, had to buy there. I took a sell here. Sorry, I have hiccups and it's driving me crazy. Nope, they're still there. But point is, theoretically, right, okay, hear me out. It has not retested this. You'd want to see it retest that. Oh my gosh, the hiccups. You'd want to see it retest that. The 50% of this level. At 1, 2, 3. I mean, I'm not trusting this range right now. Let's see. That doesn't always mean that it will do what it just did, but it is very often the case. So something to be very aware of. Sweet cheeky, thank you. Nice reaction. I like that. A journal work. Hey, Machine of Wall Street, what's up? How's it going? Be able to catch another New York, but aw, cheers, some guy. Enjoy, touch grass. Yes. Enjoy, stay safe, be good, behave, all of those things. 24985 long. What, Tony? 249. Are you sure it's 24? Because that's a short to go down there. Did you mean short, Tony? I'm now confused, sorry. There was a long line at the bank and it wasn't moving. After 2 minutes, I asked someone what was wrong and they said, no telling. Skeletor? Wow, just wow. How do you pick the fair value gaps? It always seems to blast through every fair value gap I pick on the 1 minute when I do that. Alefiando, do you get confirmation from the higher time frames, Alefiando? Also, are you specifically looking at today? Sorry, I know you're asking Martin. I'm kind of butting into this conversation. Like I said, apologies for just kind of butting in. I'm just kind of curious about that. Let's see. Boop, 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 boop. Cameron, bad consolidation. Yeah. I wonder, do you think because of all of this... Oh, sorry, I'm just... 1 hour and 15 minutes. I surely can. I'm just getting comfy because this price action sucks. So, you want to see? 1 hour and 15 minutes. I'm getting comfy. Slow grind up. What it looks like right now. And agonizing. Ooh. Sorry. That was very random. Look at how, like, flat this is on ES. Damn. That's flat. That is flat on ES. Sorry. That was very random of me. So 1 hour. What else am I looking at? Marie? 15 minutes. And then 5 minutes. This is literally just barcoding right now. Does anyone know that trend where it's like, Robert, it's pissing me off? This is what this price action is. In this market, only look for buys and then price confirm and close candles help me a lot. Showing 1 hour, 15 and 5. I'm learning here, so appreciate every answer I get. Oh! Don't worry, I'm also learning. I'm not claiming to be an expert at anything. I hope this zoomed in enough. Look at that high. Wow, it's stuck. I can't even do the Mojo Jojo with this one because it's parallel. It's not even like getting smaller. It's not coiling. It's not doing anything. I can't even do the Mojo Jojo for this one. Mojo Jojo, that was the 6th one. Mojo Jojo was the 6th one. No, 7th one. Wow, we have a lot of weird things that we go on about here. Anyways. So from there, nice little QR code. No, honestly, closure 15 minutes is important for me. If it closes bearish, then can take short. I wait for the market to tap into an untapped value gap and target another untapped value gap or swing point and use SMTs with MNQ, MES as confirmations. Relevant to 1 hour structure. I know what prices in relation with the demand and supply zone. Scalping 15 to 20. I'm an astronomical. Did I say that correctly? Planetary trade. I feel like I'm having a stroke trying to read that out loud. I know what you're talking about, but I'm not Englishing. Machine of Wall Street, are you really? Huh. Interesting. Anyways, back to one. What don't you mind? Mud crab? Sorry. Like I said. It's not going fast enough back up to that point. What am I gonna sugar honey iced tea, it's fine. One guy told me earlier Inc will go to 25600, but he's drunk and I don't believe him. I mean, who knows? The runner might bounce close, but I'll keep it there if I do hit TP. Hey, microwave, what's up? Oh, you don't mind the short. Got it. I'm still just gonna be hands off until it decides what it wants to do. Sorry, I know I'm sitting like a weirdo. It's just, it's comfy. I'm just comfortable right now, so we're just gonna stay like this for now, because I am a low-key hands off until this picks a direction. Microwave. You know, Muddy's still keen on a short. Back down to there. I mean, for it to go back into VWAP won't be the worst thing in the world. Nipsey. I know the feeling of power abuse. David, they are not talking about you. Did you mitigate your loss? Have you moved to break even, Mudcrab, or do you leave it alone completely? I'm waiting for a long below 25262. Oh, so you're waiting for it to reject off of this level. Why? Ooh! This is nice. Look at these relative equal lows here. Into a fair value gap and a shelf. Ooh. This is a really nice point of interest on the 1 minute. I like it. I like that. I like that a lot. I'm still hands off. Let's see if we start to get some momentum, but I don't think so. Let's see. Use my too much right. No, my crap. I'm out of my brain. Respect, can I project my analysis? Of course you can, Machine of Wall Street. Go for it. You do you. Am I making profit so far? Seen you trading for a while. Hey, Ghosty Artist. I was literally this close to passing my eval. I'm now this close to passing it, but yeah. Let's see. I've left it alone, but a lot of the time I will mitigate. Have you left it alone because it's a very choppy market today? You know what I'm even more confused about? What did I get timed out for? What did you say? Very nice pick up on that. Thank you! Madcap. Oh, interesting. Okay, I mean, it's a really goodie. That's a really good point of interest for it to then want to head in a direction. Sorry, I'm gonna go find Mikawave's thing that he said. Microwave. Why can't I see? Oh wait, I'm pressing the wrong thing like an absolute chop. Oh, it was the David Pred. That's what you said. Would have been something cheeky, but close above that white small pullback, then retrace to demand and potentially buy opportunity. I'm just here playing with the shell and watching to see where this goes. Whee! Cameron, a huge short is coming. Let's see. Take the pair, buy target. But I'm not even on that machine. I thought you were gonna give me for this. Reacted from the minute 3 fair value gap. I did see that earlier. It did react pretty decently. In range, difficult to get a trade. Yes, you are correct on that one. You are correct on that one. You know where this goes, hun. Where was the last time I was wrong? I mean, you like this setup. Oh well, it's fine.
That's what she said.
Anyways. Oh, if it can stop ranging, that would be amazing. I'm here to see if this hit, if this is a hit or a miss for Muddy. Let's see how this goes. I'm risking 500 on this trade. What? Man, that's ridiculous. But our entries and stop losses are slightly different. No, that's valid. That is true. That is true. That is true. All relative. But you need to stick to what you know. No. That I will, but not yet. I'm gonna say it in the last minute of the stream. What's up, user HG8DW2DX7Z? How you doing? How are you? How goes it? Like I said, let's wait for this range to stop ranging. It would be nice if the range stopped ranging right now. What a name. So, for instance, right now the trend is bullish and there's a bullish fair value gap at 25342 and untapped fair value gap above NQ. There's SMT on 5 and 30, so I'm not taking along. Damn, Martin, that's a lot to think about. Dylan. Guys are amazing. Wow, I'm having such a good giggle. I know this is super chill and super laid back right now because, well, we are with, you know, we're as chilled as this price action right now. What's for the S&T targeting the fair value gaps? Machine, you're gonna have to explain that one, by the way, bud. Next auto block, it should head toward TP. Let's see. Goes opposite way heavily, but I think it'll go to the bears. Last I checked, you were $200 short of passing. So did you pass? So I took this trade. Then I was $40 away, and then I took this trade and it was a loss. So I'm basically back to $200 away. I'm at 52851. It is what it is. Hey Banner Foxel, what's up? How you doing? Mikhail? Is that your name? What's my Instagram? Teach Maya trading. Dylan, I know. I know. Come on, bears, for mud crab. Let's do it. Mud crab, mud crab, mud crab, mud crab, mud crab. Yep. Oh my gosh. If I was doing the 24-hour stream, this would actually put me to sleep. This would put me to sleep. I will not open that chart right now. Sorry, I'll open it just now. Machine of Wall Street. This chart is ridiculous. I would never do that. I'm nice. I am nice. Kara joined, and the second thing I've seen out of her mouth is an anger. Go Kara. Go Kara. Go Kara. Oh gosh. We're just chilling over here. What's up? It's such a chill day today. Sorry, I know nothing's super exciting. I think I had my anxiety attack over here and there. Oh well. Now I'm just gonna chill. I think you have a spell on her. My little salt cracker. You know what? I'm so fine with that. It's because me and Kara are besties. We understand each other. Should take my crab on that lowest low. That is, whoa. David, that's how you die. You never tell a woman to calm down. That's when frying pans come out and you get knocked over the head. Just saying. That is, yes, that is how domestics happen. Anyways, that got dark as heck. Moving on. Tony, get ready for the big shorts. I've been ready. I've been ready. Not the right week for that. Trust. Tony, now. Okay, and now. Are you guys trading unemployment claims? What? It's true, I've got screenshots. Sure. And shorts now. Now. I'm giving this thing like 3 minutes. Let's see, Tony said now. You gotta listen to Tony. He said you're gonna short now, so you better start shorting. Come on. Show us them shorts. That sounded weird. That was pretty funny.
That's what she said.
Did I move? I'm so sorry. Gosh, I'm getting judged by my dog. Hey Franks, what's up? Bears are gonna be demolished today. Bear in a foxhole? You really think so? You know when an animal is so cute that you just want to squeeze them? Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Like, it's an actual thing. But do you guys know what I'm talking about? You have to wait around for me. I'll see how it goes. You need an Apex affiliate code. I was grabbing a few accounts. Aw, 2-cent trading. I really appreciate that. I'm trying. I will just say that. I'm trying. Okay. I'm doing what I can. It's a bit tricky because I'm a little bit limited, but I'm doing what I can. I'm gonna get this soon, maybe during New York. Let's see, Mad Crab. Let's see. He committed a crime. Skeletor! That is amazing. That is amazing. 2-cent trading. Shout out. That is so sweet. Thank you. 2-cent trading, you're amazing. I really appreciate the support. Tony, that was your quick scalp. What? This? There's nothing quick about today. Let's just be real. Hey, Remy, what's up? You're from South Africa? Me too. How are you doing, Remy? Oh, no ways. Is Mikuwabe? No. No, he's not. I don't think. Wait. Reset. Let me check. It was too. There we go. Mikuwabe, you should be good. Remy, that's awesome. What type? What type? What part of South Africa are you from? What type of South Africa? Good grief. What part of South Africa are you from? Mikuwabe, if you're still there, you're good, bud. You're back. Cape Town, that is amazing. Stephanie New York is taking yesterday's highs and fundamentals are good for certain stock ending. Oh, good grief. I'm KZ Inside, actually. Yeah, I'm KZ Inside, Remy. Welcome, welcome. What do you normally trade? This is what agony is made of. NDX. I think microwave's gone. Microwave? Oh, you scared him off. Microwave. Microwave. Oh, I think he's gone. Oh. Okay. Okay. This price action is enough to make me, I don't know. Want to kick a chair. Maybe go to share during New York for my London trade. Let's see. Remy, I mean, I had a partial and a break even here. I had a loss here. It is what it is. I was really close to passing my eval, so this one was a little bit... Maybe I shouldn't have taken it, but it's fine. It is what it is. After barcode QR code, honestly, let's see what New York brings. Let's see if New York sets me back more, or if New York is a win and I pass my eval. Like I said, I was $40 away. I'm now $150 away, so close. Take trade on 9:30 AM. Oh, no. Price action so bad. I started doing laundry. Is it a good time to buy? Oh, Warren, I wouldn't count on it. It's a good time to stay the heck out of the charts. Just saying. That is what this is right now. It's a good time to stay out of the charts, which is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to then call it there. I'll be back for the New York session. Don't forget to press that like button. And you can use my affiliate code. It's TeachMaya with any of the props in my description below. There's awesome deals happening at the moment. 30% off of all Traderfy accounts, just FYI. And yes, you can use my code TEACHMILE, all caps. That's it for me. I'm gonna call it. I'll be back. New York Open. I love you guys madly. See you then.